I chose to work with New because I was impressed with the integrity of the staff. I was impressed with the rigor and thoroughness with which New approaches cleaning of units and servicing units. I was impressed with the quality of the linens and beddings. All those things gave me a peace of mind that I could provide a high quality guest experience. Once I learned the services and the breadth of service that New offers, I signed up almost immediately. The only thing that kept me from using New sooner was the lack of awareness of all that was available to me working with New. Probably the greatest benefits have been peace of mind that all of my guests are having a high quality experience. I am a single parent. I work during the day. I have a 14-year-old daughter, and to be able to know that this investment that I have made is being well tended to when I can't personally tend to it is a huge benefit of peace of mind to me.
We couldn't have expanded to 5 properties without the operations of New and without the logistics and quality that New has provided us. The fact that you guys have nailed the inventory for linens is huge. That was always such a problem for us, is handing off the linens from one cleaner to the next and the operations around that. And the fact that New has figured out a system with these backpacks and the labels, and they've just totally got it down. Not having to worry about, is my next guest going to get the keys? Are they going to walk into a nice, clean property with nicely clean sheets that are laid out nicely and coffee's refilled and just everything is as it should be. I feel much more at rest knowing that you guys are cleaning my property.